Today I wanted to recreate this look right here. I saw it on Makeup by Mario's Instagram page. If you guys don't know who he is, he's well known for being Kim Kardashian's makeup artist, and he's like, to me, like one of the greatest makeup artists in the world. Like, I love him, I love his work. And for the Grammys, I saw this picture right here. And I was like, I need to recreate that look. Of course, it's not gonna be as good as, you know, his work because he's just amazing. If you guys wanna see how I created this look inspired by Makeup by Mario, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, now to start, I'm just gonna be putting up my hair just to get it out of the way. Starting with my Porefessional, Benefit Porefessional face primer, I'm gonna be applying that to the center of the face just to get rid of any pores. And then I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me and Loreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation just to get that glowy and dewy effect on the skin. I'm gonna be blending that with the Real Technique sponge. And then make sure that if you're going to an event or something like that, just go down on your neck and even ears and chest. Then going in with my Maybelline Instant H3 concealer, I'm gonna be applying that to the center of the face just to bring some light and definition to the face. Going in with my Light and Shade palette, Kat Von D, I'm gonna be applying those two light shades just to be setting that concealer that we put on earlier. Onto the brows, I'm gonna be using Anastasia Brow Wiz in the color Granite. I'm going to be filling in the brows, doing tiny little hair strokes, and then brushing the brow to make sure that I get that gradient, faded, more natural eyebrow look. Going in with my contour stick, Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Shadow, I'm going to be applying that with the brush so I can get a softer effect. I didn't see a lot of contour on her picture, so I want to make sure that I get like a softer contour effect. Going in with my Morphe palette, the 35S, I'm going to be picking up that pink shade and just apply that to the crease for easy blending later on. Then picking up that darker, stronger pink, we're going to be applying that to the outer and the inner corners of our eyes, and then we're going to blend that with our Morphe M433. Kind of creating a halo eye effect. We're going to be creating a halo eyeshadow look. Then I'm picking up the Morphe M505 and then kind of blending it outwards to create that cat eye effect. Picking up that darker pink shade, I'm going to be applying that the same way to the outer corner, the inner corners, to create even more definition. And then I noticed it wasn't dark enough, so I went back to my Carli Bybel palette and picking up that darker burgundy shade and then applying that the same way, outer corner, inner corner, just to create more darkness in that area. And then again, just blending everything together to create like a gradient effect. Then going back with some more and just put as much as you want and then blend that so that way you can get the look that you desire. Also, I noticed that Mario wasn't putting a lot of shadow on the upper lid, so he kept the eyeshadows just in that area. So I'm kind of keeping the eyeshadows lower in my eyelid. I went ahead and applied some concealer to the lid, to the center of the lid, and then I'm going in with that pink shade from the Morphe palette and applying that to the lid as well. And we want to make sure that we blend that. Even blending the hot pink with the other pink together. Just a little bit so that way there's no harsh lines. Then I'm going in with my Eye Drama glitter. I got this one at Salad, so it's very affordable. Then with the Light and Shade palette, I'm just picking up that light shade and I'm just kind of like creating like a cat eye effect without having to use any wipes or anything like that. Kind of like clean up underneath. Picking up that black shade from the Morphe 35S palette, we're going to be creating a line very close to our lash line. This is going to help conceal our fake eyelashes. Whenever you're wearing fake eyelashes and you don't have eyeliner on, the band usually shows and it looks weird. So this can help give you a more natural eyelash effect. Then I'm going to use some mascara. I'm using the CoverGirl Lash Plus Volume Mascara. And then I'm gonna be applying some false lashes. The highlighter that I'm using today is the Wet n Wild highlighting powder. And I'm gonna be highlighting the underneath my brow and the inner corners of my eyes. Going in with the Light and Shade palette, I'm just gonna be bronzing the face now. Just the outer perimeter of my face. Kind of wherever I put the contour, that's where I'm gonna be bronzing. And then I'm just cleaning up the contour right now. Going in with my BH Cosmetics Glamorous Blush palette, I'm just gonna be using that to like do a little bit of blush, not a lot. And then just using the same highlighter, the Wet n Wild highlighter, to highlight the face. And I'm just gonna go all over it with this brush just to make sure that it's blended. For lips, I'm using the CoverGirl Lip Perfection in the shade Seduction. And I'm also gonna be wearing Maybelline Superstay in the shade 05 Loyalist. And I'm gonna be cleaning under the lipstick as well. And then I noticed that it wasn't light enough, and I don't think I have another one that's lighter than this one, so I'm just gonna be patting some of the concealer over the lipstick. And once you do that, it's gonna give you like a lighter lipstick effect. So now you guys can use your setting spray, whichever one you prefer. It's up to you. So we are done at this point, and here's the completed look, you guys. Hi guys, so this is the final result. I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments if you guys liked it. It's just something fun and different. Like, I never do color, I just always do nude, but sometimes it's good to do some color and something different. So I'll see you guys on my next video. See you later.